The reason why you want to start learning how to trade forex is that it's a skill that needs to be acquired, right? Normally, as an individual, you are supposed to have at least one or two skills. As an individual, I'm not talking as a trader. As an individual, you are supposed to have at least one skill. So, learning how to trade is something that will generate you financial freedom, time freedom, and location freedom. What I mean by this financial freedom is that you will have access to do anything you want with your funds. Location freedom, you will have the access to go to anywhere you want to go to in this world. Time freedom, you won't be under anyone, working for anyone. You have the time to do whatever you like. So currently now, I'll be using my phone to do analysis for you guys. It's been long we did analysis on the forex market. So we'll start with the DXY right now to see our drawn liquidity, what we'll be expecting for the week. So you want to like, subscribe, follow, depending on where you're watching from. And good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're from. Smash the like button and drop your comment section. I will get to reply you from there, guys. So this is the dollar. This is the dollar. My bad. Dollar, which is y'all known is generally known as DXY, which is the short form, right? Which is the short form, right? DXY. Sorry guys, the network is kind of bad. That is why it's okay. Remember, as I always tell you guys, if you want to trade, if you want to analyze the market, you must start from the higher time frame to get your drawn liquidity to see the bigger picture, because the chart will be well open for you to be able to analyze your chart, for you to be able to analyze properly, right? So if you notice, I have this trend line up here which has been intersected, okay, not the Mizu Iran or USA kind of intersected. This one are for a zone. So if you notice, this trend line has been broken. So what are we going to be looking for now? We'll be looking for an up. We'll be looking to see the market move up. This is the DXY. So if we want to see the market move up on the DXY, we'll be expecting the Euro USD, anything that has DXY attached to it, to go down, which is Euro USD, GDP USD, AUD USD, NZD USD. Guys, we want to see all those stuffs go down. If we want to see the DXY, which is the dollar index, go up, we want to see those guys go down. So right now, what are we going to do here? We are going to break down to the lower time frame. Remember, from the higher time frame, you move down to the lower time frame to find your entry. Now we've known our drawn liquidity, we've known where we want to see the market go to, which is the upside. So what is the next thing to do? We are going to break down to the lower time frame to come and find our entry. So let's make use of the 15 minutes, right? So this is the 15 minutes. We want to find our great entry right here. Okay, the next thing we want to see, guys, over here I try finding an entry which the market came to break this trend line. As it break this trend line, guys, what am I expecting? I'm going to apply another trend line on this current trend, right? I'm going to apply another trend line on this current trend. So if this trend line got broken, that is where I will be buying, I will be selling EU. I do compare EU to DXY, right? If the market broke this trend line, go up, then I'm going to find the sell entry on Euro USD. So guys, we want to be patient. Remember, you have to be patient no matter what you are. You have to be patient. That is how to define a successful trader. You have to be patient to wait for the right signal, right? So upon the breakout, and if I got a retest, that is where I'm going to enter for a sell on Euro USD, right? So if you want to trade something like if you want to buy a currency, you'll be looking at something like USD JPY, right? That is where you'll be buying those kind of currencies, right? So it's your favorite trader. Please, I see no reason why you won't want to smash the like button or follow button or subscribe button. You know that I do drop amazing content, guys. Not just amazing, we do crazy giveaway on our Telegram group. Do well to follow us on our various social media. We are giving exploits back to back, guys. Thank you so much for your time. We hope to see you next time, and stay tuned because I'll be posting how this trade went. And peace.